Hey everybody, so about a month ago I went to Zurich, Switzerland to test out the Oppo Reno 10x Zoom edition, but the unit I tested at the time was a Chinese version. Well, finally I have here on me the retail European international version. So this is the one that will sell in Europe and also in other parts of Asia. I'm going to do an unboxing because I know that this phone's going to have a very nice packaging. I know because I've actually already unboxed this. This is the standard Oppo Reno. This is the Chinese version. So this was I got this in China, and this is the one I installed Android 10 on there. So this is the Chinese version. I've already opened it. It's pretty nice packaging. So I figure for the 10x Zoom, the flagship product, I'm gonna do a proper unboxing video because I haven't done one of these in a while. So we have some papers here. Ooh, they gave me the green version this time. The unit I tested in Switzerland was the black one. I think I personally like the black one a little bit better, but the green one looks very nice too. So this is the black one. I really like this gunmetal back. I think this is the best looking back in any smartphone this year actually. But anyway, I'm gonna put the green one to the side. So you have a case. Oh wow, this is either leather or fake leather, but it feels nice compared to, I think even the standard Oppo Reno, at least the Chinese version, you don't get a nice case. You get a pretty generic, yeah, this is a pretty generic hard shell case in the standard China version of the Oppo Reno. So we know that the global version of the Oppo Reno 10x, you get a nicer case. You have a USB-C charging cable. This is important. You will need this cable to get the super fast charging speeds of the Oppo Reno, the VOOC 3.0. It's the same as OnePlus's Warp charge, because I have a OnePlus charging brick and cable and it can charge it at almost the same speed. So this is the VOOC charging brick. So you will need this brick and this cable to pump, I think, close to 2% per minute to this phone. You can top it up from 0 to 100 in like 35 minutes. Pretty crazy. And you have earphones. They're nice. I think these are probably USB-C because this phone I don't think has a headphone jack. Yeah, so these are USB-C buds. I'll open them later. They're nice. I like the green. I think this green is the new Oppo's color scheme. So you see the specs of the 10x zoom. It has 10x hybrid zoom, which is missing from the standard Oppo Reno. It has a larger 6.6-inch OLED display and a larger battery too, at 4065 mAh. And the chipset in here is a Snapdragon 855, whereas the chipset in this one, it's a 710. And you see the cameras. This one lacks the telephoto lens. And I found out what this little nub is for. I didn't know what it was for when I first tested the phone in Switzerland. I've since learned that it's to prevent the camera lens from touching a table or wherever the heck you put your phone, because it slightly protrudes just a little bit. So when you put your phone down, it kind of keeps the camera lens off the ground by this much. So the phone comes with a screen protector. So okay, I'm gonna set up the phone and I'll be back.